In our last video, we went over pseudocode, a few examples, and this program right here. And in today's video, we will translate the pseudocode into C++ working code. So let's begin. We notice our first line of code here is hashtag include IOStream. This provides access to input, output streams. If you don't know what this means right now, don't worry about it. Just know that we need it to get input from the keyboard and output to the screen. Using namespace standard, it's not needed, but it allows us to ignore appending standard : to some of our phrases that we will be using. Let's begin. All C++ programs So as I said right here, all C++ programs must have a main function that executes, and we can supply command line arguments. We won't be doing that in this video, but it is possible for us to do that. Let's begin. So if you haven't done functions already, just know that this statement right here, return 0, is needed for right now. Just think of that. Let's begin. Let's say we have, let's go with float sales price. And let's say it equal to, let's say 10 rand 50. Let's just actually keep it the same. Let's say 12 rand 50. And we end the line. Let's assume our sales price represents some item. Let's say price of bread in rands. And then let's say bool is luxury item. Bool is luxury item. And we'll say it equal to false. And then we'll say if sales price is greater than 50,000, then is luxury item is set to true. There's no need for us to do an else statement because we already initialize it to be false as our default value right here above. We will then say float province sales tax, which is equal to sales price times, above right here, it's times 0.04%, so 0 dot times 0.04. Then we have our float of city sales tax, which is equal to sales price times, above what do I have it as? 0.015, okay, 0.015. And then if luxury item is luxury item, then we'll add a float. This will have to be, okay, you know what? Luxury item tax. Then we set luxury item tax. Luxury item tax is equal to sales price times 0.10, so that's 0.1%, well, it's 1%, else luxury item tax is equal to 0. Finally, now we can say float sales tax is equal to the summation of all the other taxes. So province sales tax plus city sales tax plus luxury item tax. That should be all. And then we'll float called total due is equal to sales tax plus sales price. This is our starting price, so it's starting price plus total tax. And then simply we'll do a command console output. Cout stands for console output, and it will output data to the console or to the screen. We'll say price before tax, which will be given in rands. This will be sales price, price after government, GOVRN, government. I think that's right. After government takes your money in rands, of course, and then we'll go with total due, and we'll just do an end line. Okay, everything looks like it's working. Let's build our program and let's run. And there we go. Price before tax 12 rand 50, price after tax 13 rand and 18 cents. And that's it. That's the end of the program.